The Nyothrep Indigenous Women's Society offers placement assistance to courses in healthcare that include nursing, MBBS, and BSc in Allied Health Sciences, Technology, and many others. For details, contact 97749-90534 and 98561-72263. The finals of the first Veterans Basketball Tournament 2021, organized by the East Khasi Hills District Basketball Association, Shillong, was held on 23rd October 2021 at the St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Semi-Indoor Basketball Court, Laitumkhrah. The MLA of East Shillong constituency, Dr. M. Ampreen Lyngdoh, had graced the occasion as chief guest, while the Executive Engineer PWD Building, Ransom Sutnga, was the guest of honor at the function. A total number of 15 teams had participated in the basketball tournament, out of which 9 teams comprised of men and 6 teams of women players. The men's finals were played between Yaine Sports Club and Eastern Range, while the finals of the women's category were played between SYM and Splash. The winner in the men's finals were Yaine Sports Club, while Team SYM won the match in the women's finals. The runners-up trophy was awarded to Team Eastern Range in the men's category, while in the women's it was Splash who were declared runner-up. Winners of the men's team received a cash prize of Rs 20,000, while winners of the women's team were awarded a cash prize of Rs 15,000. A cash award of Rs 9,000 and Rs 8,000 were given out to runners-up of the men's and women's teams respectively, while a special prize of Rs 1,500 each was given to both men and women. The oldest player from amongst the men was Walambok Purbot, while Audrey Sinha was declared the oldest player from amongst the women participants in the tournament. While speaking as chief guest on the occasion, Dr. M. Ampreen Lyngdoh expressed her appreciation and congratulated all the players for their participation in various matches during the basketball tournament. She added that the state has many talented sportsmen and women, and therefore she encouraged all veteran players to contribute towards this discipline of sports by coaching the younger players so that the game of basketball once again becomes popular in the state of Meghalaya.
Despite the fact that this played lovely basketball, I must congratulate all the teams who came to participate in this tournament. It is but necessary and correct that politicians like me should support sports, because in Meghalaya we have ample talent but very few takers. And I, for one, being an MLA in the system for so long, having won 4 elections, realize that sportsmen and women will not be able to move forward if politicians like us don't help them. That is very clear. So thank you so much for having me here. I thought I missed the games because I was busy with my politics, but I have no regrets that I left my politics, came here to be part of this program. God bless all of you. Go ahead. The veterans coach the young generation, because I'm told that the young generation do not have the kind of talent that you have. So please, after this tournament, do not be selfish and be proud of being a veteran, but reach out to the young people and give them the coaching that they need so that basketball once again becomes popular in the state of Meghalaya.